Hi everyone, in this new tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Sheets to your System.io account. For your information, if you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free by clicking the link in the description. And also the second link in the description, I gave you a System.io Launch Kit 2.0 with 4 premium templates, email sequences, automated, everything. So you just click the second link in the description for that. So what do you need first? You need obviously a System.io account, and you need to create a Google Sheet. So, and I'm going to show you how you would use it, in what case you would use it, but I'm just going to give you one example. So you go to your Google Drive, and you click on New, and you go to Google Sheet, and you click on Blank Spreadsheet. So you have your spreadsheet. And you need to give name, first name, I don't know, you put your first row with the information that you want to have or get from System.io, for example. Okay, so this would be the information that I would need. And now that you have your first row set it, you will go back to System.io and you click on your profile picture, go to settings, and go all the way to integrations. Once you're here, you go and click on Google Sheets. So it's going to ask you to connect, and it's going to ask for permission. So you give permission, click on continue. And what you want to do is you want to enable this see, edit, create, and delete on these specific Google Drive files. So you really want to click on this one, because if you don't, otherwise System.io wouldn't have the authorization to modify and to add rows in your Google Sheet. So you want to click on this one and click on continue. It's connected, so it means that it's working fine. What you want to do now, if you want to use this automation and add a new row to a Google Sheet from System.io, you will go to automations and workflow. You would create a new workflow. I will call it this one, Google Sheets demo. What I do is usually I always activate the workflow so I don't forget to activate it, and you click on Google Sheet demo. So the trigger would be, I don't know, I don't know if I have one, maybe, okay, let's say newsletter. Oh no, sorry, the trigger would be a new tag, for example. And let's use this one for the sake of this example. I'm going to click on create. So I have a tag, I have a trigger. And now if I click on actions, I want to go and find all the way down, add a new row to a Google Sheet. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to select the drive. This is the one, this is a demo one, so it's not a real email. So don't bother sending email to this email address. And it's going to ask me to select the file. So to select the file, I'm just going to click on it and select the proper file, the one I've just created. I didn't even name it, sorry. And I'm going to click on select. From here, it's going to ask me for the worksheet. I have one. See, I only have one sheet here. So I'm going to use the first worksheet and I'll click on create. So the template is empty. I'm going to have to ask for a okay, so now what it's going to do is it's going to ask me for the first name. So the first name would be, oh, so the name is missing here. So I don't collect names, so I have, would be the third name here. I have the first name. I'm going to match, no, name is here, first name is here. Email address, this is a demo contact, and this one here, and tag newsletter, for example, okay? So this is the one, and date, do I have it here somewhere? Yeah, date right here. Oops, mouse, I have to do it again, sorry. So all the way down, Google Sheet, Drive, select the one, file, select the only one I have, first one, and I'm going to do it again, sorry. So it's surname here, first name here, email here, tag the one here, and date. I think it's all the way down. And now I'm going to click on create. So see, it's created. So how would you use it? It's pretty simple. What I would do is, for example, I would create a Google Sheet that I will call I don't know, I will call it buyers list. Okay. So like this, I would create a list of all the people that bought something from me. Every time someone, so I have a special tag, which is the tag is buyer actually. And so every time someone buys something from me, they receive a tag, and the tag is buyer. So then what I will do automatically, and I'm doing it all day, is it will add the people name and email, the most important, the name and email and the date every time someone gets the tag buyer. So why I do it? Because I keep a safe list of all the buyers that I have, anyone that ever bought something from me. And this way, if I want to, let's say I want to start running ads, I can upload this spreadsheet to Facebook ads, for example, or any other platform that I want to use, and start using this one as a lookalike audience, like people that bought something from me, and I already have a list of buyers. So this is one way of doing it, but you have many ways of doing it. Okay, guys? Thanks again for watching this tutorial. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the description, in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.